I'm Beth Allen from DIY Hip Chicks, and I'm here to show you some great Frost King products to help you prevent heat loss in your home. So where is heat loss? Look around your windows for any cracks and gaps and feel if you have air blowing in. That's where you're losing money and energy. So let's get started with this money-saving DIY project that includes some Frost King weather seal. The easiest task you can do to cut those air leaks is to add weather stripping around the entryway. Frost King has several types, so your door is functional, efficient, and attractive too. For best adhesion and lasting durability, make sure that the surface is clean, dry, and free of any grease or grime before you apply it. Choose the right color to match your window trim, and as with all Frost King weather seal, make sure you apply it when the temperatures are between 40 and 90 degrees to a clean, dry surface. For double hung windows, be sure to apply weather seal to the top of your upper windows, and then apply weather seal to the bottom edge of all windows. Be sure you get one that's thick enough to seal out the draft, but still allows you to close the window completely and lock it. And don't forget, when choosing your weather seal, you want enough cushion to seal out the air, but you don't want it too thick that you can't close the door properly. Are you tired of high heating bills? Well, I say it's time to shut the front door on air leaks and save some serious money by sealing up your entryways.